Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vilesh M Panchapeeta and today I am going to tell you about the moon, Earth's one and only natural satellite. Before telling you about the moon, I will tell you about moons of other planet. 2020. Mercury and Venus don't have any moons at all. As you know, Earth have one moon, Mars have two moons, Jupiter have 79 moons, Saturn have 82 moons, Uranus have 27 moons, and Neptune have 14 moons. King of the moon is Saturn. As you know, moon's orbit. The moon orbits the Earth once every 27.322 days, and thus this causes the full moon, new moon, waxing moon, and waning moon. And the moon's orbit is tilted up to 5 degrees. Age and size of the moon. The age of the moon is 4.53 billion years old, and it is 1/4 of the Earth's surface. Means it is 27% of Earth's surface. A fact about the moon. Moon and Earth are going apart from each other. The moon is moving 3.8 centimeter away from Earth every year. Moon have water. Moon have water in its north pole. It was discovered by Indian satellite Chandrayaan-1 in January 29, 2012. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.